How to set up shipping on Shopify. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to log into your Shopify account. So this is your Shopify account. And then you have to locate settings, tap this one. Then here you will see this option, shipping and delivery. Below shipping and delivery, you will see here general shipping rates, custom shipping rates, expected delivery dates, manual delivery dates, local delivery, and under this general, you can see here local and international. So if you want to set or add rates to specific country, or let's just say create a zone within domestic area, you just have to simply tap this one, create zone. If you want to edit, tap this three dots, then you can edit your zone name here or search for other regions that you want to add. If you want to add rate within this region, all you have to do is click this add rate. So you have option here like use flat rate or use this carrier or app to calculate rates. But since we don't have this one yet, so let's choose this use a flat rate. So here, shipping rate, you don't have any option, but you tap this custom and then you can click or tap this custom rate name. You can set or name this as standard. So for custom delivery description, this one is optional. If you want to set this as free, then you don't need to put any amount here. But if you want, or if you want to put something, then you just have to add amount right here. So we have your conditional pricing. If you want to base on item weight, then you have to put or enter the minimum weight and also the maximum weight. So they can only avail this price if the minimum weight is within this and the maximum weight is below this specific amount right here. But if they go above the maximum weight, then they have to pay more or add something more and then click done. Also for international, if you tap this one right here, you can just simply click this three dots and then add something or remove a specific country if you want. But if you want to add all the countries, then all you have to do is to click this international right here. If you want to add rate, then same thing. If you want to change this to use a carrier or app to calculate rates, you just have to tap the second one and then add some information right here, add the amount, add conditional pricing, click done. Now, if you want to create a market and if you want to set specific rates to a specific country or region, all you have to do is to go to markets and add market on a single nation like Canada or a region like North America. With Shopify markets, you may establish the markets that are important to your company. Recommendations for your markets are made based on stores that are comparable to yours. Potential markets are displayed when you add a new market. These are based on stores that are similar to yours. These recommendations, which are based on data from other sellers in the same primary market, highlight the regions of the globe where you probably close deals. That is the purpose of this market or ad market here on Shopify. Now, going back to your shipping and delivery, or let's just say if you want to add or create a free shipping to a specific product on your Shopify, all you have to do is to go to your products and locate that specific product where you want to set this as free shipping. Okay, let's just say this one. You just have to scroll down and then click that product or all products right here. Tap this book edit. And then here you can also see beside price, you can see here compared at. So for example, if you set this to 450 and you set here you put something on compared price at 750, then the people, the customer will see the difference. Okay, so for example, you set this 450, 350, and you have your compared price here at 750 or 800, and then all you have to do is to click save. Now, if the customer will go to the specific product right here, that they will see only the amount or specific amount or specific price of the product. And if they go to add to cart, and then nothing will change. They cannot see an added amount or added shipping fee. So that's it. That's how you add free shipping fee on a specific product here on your Shopify store. So suppose that there is a compared price at 750 right here, and they see that your product is just 450 and they add this to cart, then they can only see this 450 exact 450 right here. Okay, so if they check this out, then the price would still be the same. So that means it's a free shipping. Okay, so that's how you set up shipping fee on Shopify, whether it's for local, international, or for free shipping fee. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.